Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how you can add Cloudflare Captcha in your WordPress website. So let's get started. Okay, so we have logged into our WordPress admin dashboard. This is our blog site and we're going to add Cloudflare Captcha in this website. In order to do this, we're going to use a plugin called Simple Cloudflare Turnstile. For that, we're going to hover our mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. And over here, we're going to search for the plugin. It's called Simple Cloudflare Turnstile. So after searching for it, we can see the plugin is over here. You can see that it has over 50,000 active installations. It is compatible with our current version of WordPress and it was last updated 6 days ago. So we can click on Install Now button to install the plugin. Alright, the plugin has been installed. Now we are going to click on the Activate button to activate the plugin. And as soon as the plugin is activated, it's going to bring us to this section. So it goes to Settings and Cloudflare Turnstile. It's added over here. Okay. Please note, Cloudflare is a different company and we're using their Captcha using another company's integration plugin. So with future updates, the interface or UX might change. If you face any issue, you can contact us for support. Now to add the Cloudflare Captcha on your WordPress site, first you have to connect it with site key and secret key. Alright, so to do that, first we have to create a Cloudflare account and from there we can find our site key and secret key. So it's already giving us the link, so we're going to click on this link and you have to log into your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account just by clicking over here and sign up. So I don't have an account, so let's go ahead and create an account. I'm going to click on this sign up over here and now we're going to enter our email address and password. When entering a password, you have some requirements that you need to fulfill. First, it has to be 8 characters. There has to be at least one number, one special character, and no leading or trailing white spaces. Okay, so once you have fulfilled all these requirements, you can verify you are a human just by clicking on this captcha and then clicking on sign up button. Alright, it created our account and this is our Cloudflare dashboard. So once you're in your Cloudflare dashboard, what you're going to do is click on this add site over here. And here you have to add in your domain name. So we're going to add in our domain name. And from these 3 options, we're going to have the quick scan for DNS records selected and click on the continue button. Alright, after clicking on the continue button, it will ask you to select a plan. They have the Pro, Business, and Enterprise plans over here. But you can also see that there's a free plan over here as well. For this video, we can use a free plan. So I'm going to select the free plan and click on continue. And then you can review your DNS records. So once you're done, you can click on continue to activation. And you can change your name servers here, you can see. And finally, you can click on continue button. To use the full strength of Cloudflare, you have to add the Cloudflare name servers to your domain register's DNS. So visit your domain register's DNS settings to add Cloudflare name servers for your domain. There might be specific cases where the name server changes would not be required, but to make it future-proof, pointing your domain to Cloudflare DNS is a great idea. And from here, you can scroll down and check your name servers. So if you click on over here and it's saying that the verification of name servers of this website is already being rechecked because we just clicked on this button a few seconds ago. Okay, afterwards, what you can do is go to your Cloudflare account page. So I'm going to click over here. All right. And from here, we're going to click on the Turnstile and we're going to click on Add Widget for our Captcha service. Now we have to name a widget. We're going to call it WP Captcha. And from here, we're going to click on the add host names and select our site. And we're going to click on add and let's add it. Okay, now it's added. From the widget mode, there are 3 types, the managed, non-interactive, and invisible. From here, we're going to select the managed and click on create. All right, it's successfully created. Now we're going to copy the site key and secret key. Alright, we have copied the site key and secret key. And finally, you can also add a theme. There's the light theme, dark theme, and the auto option. You can choose the language as well. And finally, you can also disable the submit button if you want. Now we're going to scroll down. And here you can see where you want to enable the turnstile on your forms. So we're going to select all of these. And then we're going to expand the WooCommerce forms. So if you have WooCommerce installed, you can also add the captcha for your WooCommerce page, such as the login page or registration page, or you can enable it for other pages, such as the WooCommerce pay for order. So you can also enable this as well. So after enabling all of these, click on the Save Changes button. And you can see that the API keys have been updated. Please test the Turnstile API respond down below. So here it says success. Now we're going to click on the test response button and see if everything is working. Great. Now let's log into our site and see if the Cloudflare Captcha is working on our site or not. Now we have come to our WP admin page and you can see that it verified and success. You can see the Cloudflare over here. Now we can use our username and password to sign in. But before signing in, let's actually see the website. So it should be enabled for our post comments as well. So if we click over here and scroll down, over here in the comment section, you can see Cloudflare is activated as well. Now let's go ahead and see if it's activated in the registration page. Let's go to the WP admin page. Now we have logged out of our site and we're going to click on register over here. And it's going to bring the registration form. And you can see that Cloudflare Captcha is working in this form as well. Again, if we visit the lost your password section, we can see that the Cloudflare Captcha is working in this form too. Now we're going to see how you can add Cloudflare Captcha on your forms. Now for adding forms, we're using WPForms. You can also use other plugins, but you have to check if it supports Cloudflare Captcha Turnstile. Now WPForms actually supports it, so we're going to use it. Now to enable Cloudflare Captcha on WPForms, what you have to do is first install the WPForms, then go to settings. From here, go to Captcha and just enable the Turnstile over here. And for that, you also have to add in your site key and secret key, so we're going to do that. You can also view a fail message over here. Now, this is the same site key and secret key that we used for our Cloudflare Turnstile plugin. Okay, so after this, we can click on Save Settings. Now, after this, we also have to edit the form where we want to add our Cloudflare Captcha. So we're going to click on All Forms from WPForm. And here we already have a form created. So we are going to click on Edit. But if you want to add the Cloudflare Captcha on any other form, just edit that form. So we're going to edit this form. And it's going to take us to the form editor. And from here, you can see the Turnstile. It's over here. We're simply going to click on it. And it will say the Cloudflare Turnstile has been enabled for this form. Don't forget to save your form. We're going to click on OK. And you can see that Turnstile is enabled. We can see the tag over here. So we're going to click on the Save button. And now we are going to get back to our WordPress dashboard. So we're going to close it up. Now let's visit our site and let's go to the contact page. So this is where we have our form. Now let's scroll down and we can see the contact form over here. Okay, it's in dark. If you want to change the color, we can simply go to the dashboard and go to WPForms and go to settings. Click on Captcha. We're going to scroll down over here. And in the type, we're going to select the light, and then we're going to click on Save Changes. Now, if we take a look at the preview, we can see how it will look like. Now, let's visit our site and see if it's working. Great. So that is how you can add Cloudflare Captcha on your WordPress website. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial. We hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress. So thank you for watching. See you next time.